Hi, hello. Today I'm going to show you and tell you something about format menu from the top of screen. So once you click on format menu, drop down windows will appear like this, and from the top font, actually all this option you can see, and those all are about formatting, and depends on object you're going to format. You should just pick up different option. Font obviously is about font, paragraph, bullet and numbering, borders and shading. This is quite often used. I used, and it's good to know what this option will allow to. So font option font is everything about font. So once you highlight text to format, here in font option you have font. Actually all fonts you can pick up, whatever you have installed on your computer. Style, regular, italic, bold, italic. Size, font color, underline, style. You have here underline color is actually at the moment gray, but I presume once I highlight something will be ready to change. Additional effects, once you click on one of these effects, here you have some samples, a preview, so you don't need to worry how this will appear on your document. Character spacing and text effects. I do not use so often these two option. Character spacing, this is about spacing and how you can set up your spacing, and text effect, there are additional effects you can use on your text. Another option, paragraph, is exactly about paragraph and how you can format paragraph. Here is alignment to left, center, right, and indentation. Actually, I want to tell you about this spacing. Is I use this on daily basis. If you want to separate paragraph from previous one, you can put some space between. This will show you document quite nice. Actually, not quite nice. I use this. Additional space between paragraphs you can do by clicking Control and Control, or maybe here. Now is additional formatting here, but here as well. No, but first I need to update this properly to use this option. But when you click Control O or on normal text, you should be able to insert insert additional space between. Here, look, 0 before and after, we have here 10 points. So once you click here auto and click here auto, you will see here different space. And once again, when you click paragraph and, for example, before you put 4 points even. You see here different. But when I start formatting document, I try to delete all formatting already set up in documents. So like here I have auto and line spacing. I had a double, now I have single, so still is some formatting. I need to much more investigate about this. Like you see, I instead on format and paragraph, here I have menu, and this menu is exactly about spacing. You can put one space, 1.5, double, and more and more and more. So this is this option is good to know. It's something that Word let us know to do. Bullets and numbering. This is again about formatting for numbering and bullets you included in your document. Borders and shading. This option I used to use for especially tables. I included in my document. You can use this option as well for pictures, to borders pictures, but for pictures is another option. When you click on the picture, double click, you can put borders to your pictures. Columns, again, you can format your text to 1 column, 2, 3, and more. You have here number of column, wide spacing even, and you can apply to whole document or section. So this is good as well. Tabs. This option is show us all tabs we have set up on the top of Liner here, and all tabs is I use and I still using this option. Help me format much easier when I when I put some tab here on the Liner, and next I click on tab on my keyboard. You see here is tab, so I can start writing the text exactly in each of line on the same looks like this column is creating, but this is not about column, because column can create a different way. This helps us, especially when you writing here, you put some text, and then you need to, for example, put address, company address or something here. So obviously in next line, when you click on tab on your keyboard, you go straight to the same place on your document. So it's good. You can preview this, and you will see here is text in the same moment in your document. Your document looks like much more professional, I would say. And this is tab, drop cap. This is about text around the picture or chart or something like that. You can choose. This is format. Text direction. I didn't highlight text in my document, but once I would do this, this option will allow me to change text direction. Text direction, actually not much more in this document, but once I put frames or text box, what I have mentioned on my previous videos, I am able to change text direction. On the document, when you want to change direction on your text, I would say you need to change change view from portrait to landscape. So this is about text direction. Change case. When you want to change the cases for your letters included in document, just by one click you can highlight your text and then select one of these options what you want to change to sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, and to others. So this is a good option. Background, you can change background, but this is only background for your document and not for printed document. So once you create some document to show somebody on your computer, no problem, you can change background, but you need to remember once you print this document out, on your printer will be a white background. Theme, you can here choose one of theme words prepare for us for your heading, style, bullet, regular text, everything you can choose from this. Actually, I learned myself, and I would prefer to change on my own. But if you want to change very quick, you can choose from this theme. Frames, they are something similar to text box here, but different is that you cannot use text box when you want to include in your box comments or footnotes on some fields such as autonym or TC, TOC, etc. So in these cases you need to use frames, and in order when you want to for example use watermarks, much more I would say text box needs to be used. Auto format. This is you can auto format your document, and you can click here to review each of change, and here you have option for auto format, how Word will auto format your document. You can unhighlight if you don't want to, for example, straight quote with smart quotes change in your document. That will be automatic work for Word to do. If you made mistakes, this is not mistakes obviously, but once you do something like that, Word in automatic way change this for you. So I click close here. This was auto format. Styles and formatting. This is about styles you have in your document already used. So this is this, and reveal formatting. This is exactly what you did with your document. This is quite good, but you need to be careful, because once you deleted this in your document will appear this change straight after. And object, once you put in your document some object like picture, diagram, you will see here, and you can format your object. This is everything for now about format menu, and in next video I will explain you tools menu. I hope you enjoy. See you in my next video.